Hello, my name is Sean from the Global Life Settlement Exchange. We are the world's first free life settlement auction marketplace. Today I'm going to talk about the benefits of selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider for education planning. For many people, the thought of selling their life insurance policy is not something they have ever considered. However, for those who are facing financial difficulties, selling their life insurance policy to a life settlement provider can be an attractive option. One such scenario is using the proceeds from the sale to fund education planning for themselves or their loved ones. In this video, we will explore the benefits of selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider for education planning. One of the primary benefits of selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider for education planning is that it provides immediate access to cash. This can be particularly important if you are facing unexpected education expenses or need to fund an education plan quickly. By selling your life insurance policy, you can receive a lump sum payment that can be used to pay for education costs, such as tuition, books, room and board, and other related expenses. Another benefit of selling your life insurance policy for education planning is that it can help you avoid accumulating debt. Many families turn to student loans to pay for education expenses, which can result in substantial debt that can take years to pay off. By selling your life insurance policy, you can avoid taking on additional debt and instead use the proceeds to pay for education expenses outright. Selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider can also provide a way to fund education planning for your loved ones. If you have a child or grandchild who is preparing to attend college, you can use the proceeds from the sale of your policy to help pay for their education. This can provide a valuable investment in their future, allowing them to avoid the burden of student loan debt and start their career on solid footing. Another important benefit of selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider for education planning is that it typically does not have any tax consequences. The proceeds from the sale of your policy are generally considered to be a return of premium and are not subject to income tax. This can help ensure that you receive the full value of your policy and can use it to fund education planning without having to worry about additional taxes. Selling your life insurance policy to a life settlement provider can provide you with the flexibility to customize your education planning. Alternatively, you can use the proceeds to pay for private school or other educational opportunities that may not be covered by a traditional education savings plan. Global Life Settlement Exchange, your trusted partner. Consider listing your policy on our free, no-obligation auction marketplace so that buyers can compete for the best deal available depending on your particular circumstances. Global Life Settlement Exchange, GLSE, is a marketplace that specializes in life settlements. We have a thorough awareness of the market and assist policyholders in selling their insurance policies for the highest price possible through a transparent auction. The first free life settlement auction marketplace in the world, Global Life Settlement Exchange charges no fees to sellers. The process is simple, and there is zero fee and obligation to the seller. You just need to provide your policy details to us, and that's all you need to do. You will receive the highest offer from the market in a few weeks or so. Unlike traditional brokers, GLSE does not charge a fee for its services. This means sellers keep more of the money from the sale of their policy, which can be a significant sum. Even if you have already hired a broker, a seller like you can still acquire a second opinion. GLSE gives the seller complete control, allowing them to select the best offer without being constrained by middlemen, brokers, obligations, or fees. The traditional process of selling a life insurance policy involves working with brokers who have access to buyers. These buyers determine the value of the policy, leaving sellers with little control. However, with GLSEs, sellers have complete control over the process. They can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, without any obligation or fee. This puts the power in the hands of the seller. Life settlement was predominantly a buyer market, where buyers determine the value of the policy. However, GLSE is shifting the balance of power to the seller. By providing an open and competitive marketplace, GLSE puts the seller in control of the process. The seller can choose to accept or reject offers as they see fit, ensuring that they receive the best possible value for their policy. In conclusion, Global Life Settlement Exchange is revolutionizing the life settlement market by increasing transparency and putting the power in the hands of the seller. With GLSEs, sellers can receive the highest possible offer for their policy, keep more of their money, and make an informed decision about whether to sell. Our zero-fee platform provides a no-obligation opportunity for sellers to explore their options, and the elimination of middlemen ensures that sellers receive the full value of their policy. GLSE is transforming the life settlement market, providing a fair and competitive platform for sellers to receive the value they deserve.
Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please hit the like and subscribe button to support us.